Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to check track delivery of email. In cPanel we have option in email section with name as track delivery. So if anybody is saying that he is sending an email to our webmail account or any username @ourdomainname.com email, so we can check if that email is receiving to our inbox or not, so that we can check what may be the issue or problem due to which the sender is not able to send their emails to our email. So go to track delivery. Here you can see this green check is the successful sent or received email address, successful received emails. If here is any yellow mark or any red mark, so that they are the emails that we have to check if there is any problem with that emails. So here we can see here are currently 4 records or 4 emails that are sent or received on this account or from this account, and this I option will give you more details. Here it is success, means the email has been successfully sent to the deliver. Here is our domain name, address, sender, time with date, and recipient's email address. So I will send one email from my Gmail account so that we can check it from here. Here we can see currently 4 entries. Now I will send one email from my Gmail account to info@amchannel.in. My subject is "This is new email." I will write just "This is the test email from Gmail account." I will send it now. From here we can see message has been successfully sent to our webmail account. Now to check track delivery, we will reload this. It may take some time. Or else I will go to dashboard. Again I will go to my track delivery option. Now here it is, this entry. From this email account I have sent email to info@amchannel.in, and you can check more details from this information tab. So this is the track delivery option. Same, if we send an email from our webmail account, then you can get it here as like this, same entry. So I'll not send again email, so that this video may become small. So this is the option of track delivery. You may get some help from this option to solve your problems. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe AM channel.